Okay, so a previous owner of my Dolomite Sprint, well-meaning or well-intentioned attempt at an upgrade, removed the wires that would have originally gone here, which I believe would have been the main thicker brown feeds for the unswitched hot power, and then replaced it with these red ones in the fuse holders, through a bunch of wiring and harness in here, relays, and upgraded headlights. The lights work pretty well, but they're Hellas, I think, and these lights, they've overused the stampings on them, I think, and they're fine, but they're not great. But they draw more than the alternator can provide. It's the original Lucas alternator, and in order to put them in, they've removed whatever was here to begin with, and then taken this whole mess down here. The two black wires come in, the wires from the alternator go into the loom and then loop back and come back out. And there's these thicker brown ones and the thinner brown ones, which come up into the fuse box and go other places. Long story short is they've got this plastic kind of bus bar with some loops on it in order to reconnect everything together. It's just not great. And the question then lies, how were these originally hooked up? So far as I can tell, I have a thick and a thin brown wire plus the brown and yellow coming in from the alternator. And then they loop back out, and one of those is coming here, along with probably this one. And this one goes to the fuse box. And I've got two more thick brown wires. And obviously those are all one circuit. And I want to, connect that all together so that it's connected back to the battery and everything is doing what it's supposed to do. But I'm just wondering, what would that have originally all connected to? I've got two wires that would come up into here. I'm just at a loss. So if anyone can kind of enumerate for me how this would have originally been connected, that would be fantastic, because I'm trying to come up with a plan for how to unmodify this and get it somewhat original, and then prepare for either an alternator upgrade or perhaps just eliminating the feature of this harness that allows the low beams to be on at the same time as the high beams will be enough to eliminate the problem whereby the headlights draw more amperage than the alternator can provide.